Welcome to our channel. If you want to use your Roku streaming device in a hotel room with restricted Wi-Fi access, follow these step-by-step instructions to connect and stream your content. Step 1. Connect your Roku device to the hotel TV using an available HDMI port. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet and turn on the TV. Step 2. Select the HDMI input on the hotel TV that corresponds to where you connected your Roku device. The Roku home screen should appear. Step 3. Navigate to Settings on your Roku home screen using your remote. Select Network, then Set up Connection. Step 4. Choose Wireless as your connection type. Roku will scan for available Wi-Fi networks and display a list of detected networks. Step 5. Select the hotel's Wi-Fi network from the list. Most hotels have networks named after the hotel property or branded as guest Wi-Fi. Step 6. After selecting the network, your Roku will attempt to connect. You'll likely see a screen indicating that authentication is required or that you need to accept terms and conditions. Step 7. Press OK on your remote when prompted. This will display a unique web address or activation code that you'll need to access from another device. Step 8. Using your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, connect to the same hotel Wi-Fi network and open a web browser. Step 9. Enter the web address shown on your TV screen or navigate to the hotel's Wi-Fi login page. Complete any required authentication, such as entering your room number, last name, or accepting terms of service. Step 10. Once authenticated, your Roku should automatically detect the successful connection and complete the setup. You can now stream content through your Roku device on the hotel TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.